Let's get started. In this video, we'll go over creating an OpenAI account and an API key. What is an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface and is a mechanism that enables two software components to communicate with each other using a set of definitions and protocols. For example, think of a weather forecasting service that offers daily weather data. The application on your phone talks to this service via API calls and shows you daily weather updates. In the same way, we can talk with the OpenAI models such as ChatGPT from our applications. You can interact with the OpenAI API using HTTP requests. There are official libraries for Python and Node.js, but also community-maintained libraries for other programming languages. Take a look here. As you can see, there are also community libraries for C#, Go, Java, Ruby, Unity, or Unreal. By the way, the last two are game engines, so if you are a game developer, you can use the OpenAI models as well. To use the AI models developed by OpenAI, all you need to do is open an account and create an API key. Open up your browser and go to platform.openai.com/signup. Here, you can create your account. I already have an account and I won't walk you through every step needed to create yours because it's pretty straightforward. You can also use your Google or Microsoft accounts, or you can create a new one using your email address. Note that you may need a valid phone number to confirm your account by SMS. Once logged in, you can create an API key that will be used to authenticate to the OpenAI backend. In the right upper corner, click your name and then View API Keys. In this window, you'll see your API keys, which by the way should be kept secret. Anyone who has access to your secret keys can impersonate you and make requests on your behalf. This can also be translated into spending money because the use of OpenAI models is not completely free. This is the reason why the keys are not listed in clear text. To create a new API key, click Create New Secret Key. And a new key is generated. At this point, you should save the key somewhere safe because this is the only time when you can see it. If you don't save it now, or if you lose it, you'll have to generate a new one. This is in fact what this pop-up window says. Note that if you don't need a key anymore, or it gets compromised, you can revoke it. This being done, we now have an OpenAI account and a valid API key. We'll take a short break, and in the next video, I'll show you how to install the OpenAI API and how to authenticate to OpenAI.